we get a little bit more life out of the saw. We get a lot more feed speed out of the saw. I've got one customer that has gone from 17, 18 metres a minute on a full shift on the older red saws from Freud to now 30 metres a minute for a full shift on the Black ICE with no dramas at all. So a lot more meterage, a lot more run time. So they call it a Black ICE purely because the body of the saw is now black. It's not red. It is a coated saw blade. We have these in a few ranges. It's roughly around about 15 different sizes. So from ODs, I have a little baby one here of 180. That's pretty much the smallest one in their range. All the way up to I think it's 400 in the range. So yeah, the guys are seeing some really great results. So again, increased feed speed, longer run time, less changeovers, less downtime on the machine, which means more money for your timber. Yeah, if you want to know more about it, drop us a line or give us a call here at the office, and we're happy to talk to you about the Black ICE range from Freud.